Hi guys, this is AE Beauty Glams. If you're new here, you are welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, you are welcome back. So guys, before I start with my eyebrow, I use this gel to put my eyebrow into shape. Okay, when I do this step, I think my eyebrow really stay into place. It doesn't move, it doesn't do anything. So what I learned about this is this is my first time of doing this too. But if you think your eyebrow is that stubborn, just try to use this type of gel to shape your eyebrow, okay, to put them in place. And after doing that, try to use your hand to press it in so that it can dry before you start drawing your eyebrow. So I'm drawing my eyebrow with Devis number 3 pencil. Okay, before I start drawing my eyebrow, I start at the bottom. This is what is good for me. I don't know what is good for you, but when I want to start drawing my eyebrow, I start from the down before going to the top. So I'm just outlining the eyebrow. Okay, I'm not putting pressure on the pencil. So after outlining the eyebrow, I just go inside by filling in the eyebrow where I see that there is space, but not that much. Okay, I want it to look that natural. So guys, that natural look that I'm looking for is that I'm just being light with the pencil. I don't want it to be harsh. Okay, I'm just filling in the space. Doing this, it helps your eyebrow look natural. Okay, but I don't know what is good for you. Okay, so me, this is what is good for me. I don't put pressure on the pencil. I just draw it lightly. I just fill in the spaces where I think that there is a space. I fill in, just fill in and move. So that is it. Yes guys, can you see how I am doing it? I'm just filling in, and yeah. So this is the finished look. This is how I want my eyebrow to look like. This is how I want it to look like. I am happy with it. So guys, I am going in with this concealer, the Becharm Ageless concealer. Yes, I am using the lighter shade to sculpt under my brow bone. Okay, yeah, where the brow bone is, that is what I am using the lighter shade to sculpt. Okay, because I want that place to be popping. Yeah, I want it to be popping. Yeah, and this one thing about this concealer is it's easy to blend. Okay, it's easy to blend. I love working with this concealer because some of the concealer I find it difficult to blend, and whenever I try to blend, it spoils my eyebrow. So ever since I discovered this concealer, I love it. I love using it. Okay, so I'm just blending in the concealer. Blend until you are certified. Okay, so after this, I use a concealer that is closer to my skin. Okay, I use a concealer that is closer to my skin. That is what I use at the face, I mean the beginning of the eyebrow. That is the concealer I use because I don't want any harsh line at the front of my brow. I want it to look natural. So that is what I was doing. So if you want your eyebrow to look natural, use the concealer that is closer to your skin, okay, to shape the front of your eyebrow. And guys, take your time, don't rush your things up. Taking time will help you come out good, okay? Take time to sculpt your brow. Rushing things up won't help you, so just take time. So I'm going to the second brow, and as I said earlier, I normally use the white shade, okay, the concealer that is 2 shades lighter than my skin to sculpt my brow bone, okay. I want it whenever I finish doing my makeup, I want it to be popping, yeah. You want it to be popping, so that is why I use the lighter shade under my brow bone, yeah. And I blend the edge, okay. I blend it. Guys, go and try this concealer and come and tell me what you think about it, because I love working with it. I love it so much. I love it. So go and try it and come and tell me what you think about this, okay. So I'm using the darker shade as well to sculpt under the brow. And as I said, take your time to sculpt it. Take your time. And please, one thing too is that eyebrow, they are not twins, okay. They are not twins, but try as much as possible to make them twins, but it's not easy. So I'm just being careful, okay. I'm just being careful towards this. So I'm now at the upper part of my brow, yeah, but at the top I'm using the concealer that is closer to my skin, okay, closer to my skin. That is what I'm using at the top, because I want to blend it easily. You know, sometimes when you use the concealer that is 2 shades lighter than your skin, you find it difficult to blend. So try to use a concealer or a foundation that is closer to your skin so that you can easily blend it out. As you can see, this concealer is closer to my skin. So, and one thing I earlier said, that this concealer is easy to blend, okay. It's easy to blend. So that is what I am using at the top. And can you see that? Just say it easily. I've blended it out easily, yeah. I don't, and can you see that there is no harsh line that you can, yeah. So that is what I mean, and it's not easy. Guys, take your time and do it. So I'm going to the second eyebrow, and I'm doing the same thing to the second eyebrow. Just take your time, slowly, then you are done. Yeah, can you see that? It's not easy. Take your time and sculpt it, because when you take time, your eyebrow come out neat. Don't rush things up. So after you finish, then you make sure that you brush everything, you blend everything in well. Blend them until you are satisfied with what you are looking for. Just blend as you want. Blend the edges, blend it well so that your eyebrow can be in place, okay. Just blend it as much as you want. Blend. Yeah, can you see that? Yes, but I am not done yet. I am not fucking done yet. So guys, I am using a Sacha buttercup, okay, set or to bake my brow. Yes, to bake my brow. Someone will say, hey, then what am I doing? But ever since I learned this technique, guys, bet me, I really fall in love with this technique. Because after you finish baking your eyebrow, especially when you are oily skin and you know that you are wearing makeup for the whole day, you know how messy your eyebrow can look. So when you do these steps, it keeps your eyebrow all day long. Try this technique and come and tell me what you think about this, because just take a look. And one thing I've studied is that when you bake your eyebrow, it keeps it dry all day long, and it helps keep your eyebrow natural at its ease. Okay, natural. It doesn't look any this thing like it doesn't look fake. It look like natural eyebrow. Some people use the eyebrow tint, okay, after this, but you can decide to leave it like this. Just take a look at it. Just take a look. I'm in love with it. I am really in love with this. Okay, I'm in love with this. I love how it comes out. Okay, I love it. So guys, this is the final look of the eyebrow. Okay, it helps, it keeps it all day long, especially when you are oily skin. When you're oily skin, try to do this to your eyebrow. I learned it from one of the YouTuber. Okay, so try and do this. Ever since I learned this, it always keep me going. So if you think that you are that oily skin type, try and do it. And one thing I even noticed about baking my eyebrow is I say that it really brings the eyebrow into shape, or it brings the color out. So that is what I've learned about this technique. So try and do this at home and you will love it. So thank you for watching. See you in my next video.